Hello kids! Learn ABC with animals and birds. A is for ant.
A is for ant.
B is for bear. Add B is for bee.
B is for bear. Add B is for bee.
C is for cow.
C is for cow.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for frog.
F is for frog.
G is for giraffe.
G is for giraffe.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
I is for ibis.
I is for ibis.
J is for jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
K is for kangaroo.
K is for kangaroo.
L is for leopard.
L is for leopard.
M is for macaw.
M is for macaw.
N is for nightingale.
N is for nightingale.
O is for ostrich.
O is for ostrich.
P is for parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q is for quail.
Q is for quail.
R is for rooster.
R is for rooster.
S is for snail.
S is for snail.
T is for tortoise.
T is for tortoise.
U is for unicorn.
U is for unicorn.
V is for vulture.
V is for vulture.
W is for woodpecker.
W is for woodpecker.
X is for X-ray fish.
X is for X-ray fish.
Y is for yak.
Y is for yak.
Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Thanks for learn well.